lumpiang sariwa. So, sauté na natin yung onion. Then, garlic. Tofu. Then, lagay na tayo ng pork. Ground pork na parboil ko na kanina. Then, add na natin yung chop na shrimp. Carrot, pambusot, and dagdag natin yung jicama or singkamas. Pwede rin yung lagyan ko ng toge o kung ano yung available nyo sa ref. Hindi naman kailangan sakto na classic na gayahin ko. So hindi yung classic yun. Yung iba naglalagay ng toge ako. So, lagay tayo ng konting patis, pepper, and a little salt, and water, around 3 tablespoons. And after nito, isi-set aside natin siya. I-drain natin yung water. So, lagay na natin yung cabbage. So, gawin na natin yung sauce ng lumpiang sariwa. Lagay tayo ng 2 cups water, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1/3 cup sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of garlic. Then meron akong ground na walnuts. Soft boil lang natin siya sa medium heat. And lutuin natin siya around 2 to 3 minutes. Tsaka natin ilalagay yung cornstarch or slurry. After 2 to 3 minutes, pwede na natin ilagay yung starch. So, set aside muna natin to para gawin na rin natin yung wrapper. So, sa wrapper, combine muna natin yung dry ingredients. 1/4 cup ng all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup cornstarch, pinch of salt lang, 1 teaspoon white sugar. Mix lang muna sandali. Kunti lang para mag-incorporate ng maayos yung salt and sugar. And after nyan, lagay na tayo ng 1 cup of milk.
What country are you from? I will be happy if you write in the comments if you made it here. Leave a blue heart emoji in the comments, so I know.
Then, lagay tayo ng 1/2 tablespoon ng oil. Lastly, yung 2 eggs. Mix lang ng maayos at maigi para wala siyang lumps. Then, set aside natin. Gagawa na tayo ng wrapper. So, i-heat lang natin tong non-stick pan. And kung wala kayong pang-spray ng oil, pwede namang ito. I-brush nyo na lang. So, gaganon lang.
I'd love to hear what you think about the dish. So please feel free to leave a comment and a rating if you have tried it. New recipes are added every week, so let's
So,
connect.
ayan guys, low heat lang siya. Kita nyo naman. So, luto na to. Tapos na din yung iba. I-assemble na natin. So, ayan guys, i-assemble na natin siya. Lagay tayo ng konting laman or yung filling na naluto kanina. Ayan, tinamnan natin. Ayan. Lagyan na natin dito. Lagyan na natin siya ng sauce.
If you made it to this point of the vlog, thank you so much for watching all the way.